अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर वीवर्स, मैं हूं अशफाक चिश्ती। अभी हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट जर्नल नॉलेज रिगार्डिंग पीपीएससी टेस्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। एमसीक्यूज नंबर 1, द रिवर डन्यूब राइजेज इन विच कंट्री? तो आंसर इसका है जर्मनी। विच यूएस स्टेट हैज़ द शुगर मैपल एज इट्स स्टेट tree and is the leading producer of maple sugar? Vermont. Which country is nicknamed the cockpit of Europe because of the number of battles throughout history fought on its soil? तो इसका आंसर है बेल्जियम। कि कौन सा जो है मुल्क जिसका निक नेम है कॉकपिट ऑफ यूरोप, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर जो है जंगें जो है वो लड़ी गईं, तो वो है बेल्जियम। व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ लीबिया? लीबिया का कैपिटल कौन सा है? तो वो है ट्राइपोली। अपार्ट फ्रॉम फ्रेंच, जर्मन एंड रोमांच, व्हाट इज़ द फोर्थ ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द स्विट्ज़रलैंड? चौथी ज़ुबान कौन सी है स्विट्ज़रलैंड की? तो वो है इटालियन। विच कंट्री इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कॉफ़ी? तो ब्राज़ील है दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी पैदा करने वाला मुल्क, ब्राज़ील। इन विच सिटी वाज द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट अंडरग्राउंड ट्रेन वाज सर्विस ओपनड इन 1863? लंदन। किसमें जो है अंडरग्राउंड ट्रेन सर्विस चलाएगी सबसे पहले? 1863 में, तो वो लंदन के अंदर थी। हाउ मैनी पेयर्स ऑफ रिब्स आर देयर इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी? 12. Which country is separated from Ethiopia by the Red Sea? Yemen. What is the main port of Italy? Genoa. Mount Logan is the highest peak in which country? Canada. In which state is Harvard University? New Jersey. Which is larger, Norway or Finland? Finland. Which city was the first capital of the Kingdom of Italy until 1865? Turin. What is measured by an ammeter? Electric current. एमीटर जो है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के लिए यूज़ होता है। What is a rhinoceros horn made of? Hair. Which three countries apart from the former Yugoslavia share borders with Greece? Albania, Bulgaria, Turkey. The Park Strait separates which two countries? India and Sri Lanka. Ga is the symbol for which element? Gallium. In the Greek alphabet, what is the name for the letter O? Omicron. What in the 16th and 17th century was a pavana? Advance. A nephron is the functional unit of which organ in the human body? Kidney. In which country is the ancient city of Tarsus? Turkey. The Khyber Pass links with which two countries? Afghanistan and Pakistan. Name the six US states that comprises New England: Rhode Island, Connecticut, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Massachusetts. Which musical instrument is played by both exhaling and inhaling? Harmonica. हारमोनिका और माउथ ऑर्गन के कौन सा जो है वो खुशी और गमी दोनों में म्यूज़िक बजाया जाता था, वो हारमोनिका जो है। द नॉर्थन पार्ट ऑफ विच कंट्री इज कॉल्ड ओसलिंग, लग्जमबर्ग। Napier is a city in which country? New Zealand. What is the Hook of Holland, a port in the southeast Netherlands? The river Douro forms a part of the border between which two countries? Spain and Portugal. In which country is the Great Slave Lake? Canada. Which 6 countries border the Black Sea? Bulgaria, Georgia, Romania, Russia, Turkey, and Ukraine. Kathmandu is the capital of which country? Nepal. Which name is given to a mixture of bicarbonate of soda and tartaric acid used in cooking? Baking powder. AOL are an internet service provider. What does AOL stand for? American Online. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. Which English queen had an extra finger on her hand? Anne Boleyn. Which precious metal has the symbol Pt? Platinum. The Gobi Desert extends over which two countries? China and Mongolia. Apart from America, which is the only country in the world to which alligators are native? China. Which are the highest types of clouds? Stratocumulus और साइरस जो हैं वो कहता है कि हाईएस्ट टाइप्स हैं बादलों की जो है बुलंद तरीन किस्म है। Which ancient measure of length was based on the length of arm from fingertip to elbow? Cubit. After World War I, Transylvania became part of which country? Romania. Which sea in northern Europe is bounded by several countries including Sweden, Finland, Poland, and Germany? The Baltic. A road tunnel runs from Pèlerins in France to Antibes in Italy under which mountain? Mount Blanc. The Barents Sea is part of which ocean? Arctic Ocean. Which two countries are either side of the mouth of the River Plate? Argentina and Uruguay. Quicklime is an alkaline powder obtained by strongly heating which other material? Chalk. What is the longest river solely in England? Thames. The Great Barrier Reef is off coast of which Australian state? Queensland. So these were the 15 MCQs of World Journal Knowledge. See you later till next video. Goodbye.